Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial and we'll be creating a new React app. So basically the first step which I skipped was creating a new file, whichever place you want to create it on your computer, and then opening it with the Visual Studio Code. So after that, before we create our new application, we'll have to make sure that we have nodejs installed. So on your VS Code, simply press Ctrl J, which will open the terminal, and then let's confirm if we have nodejs. So node -v. As for me, I have node, and if by any chance you are not seeing any version of nodejs on your terminal, simply go to the official website of nodejs and make sure you install the most probably the recommended version. Yeah, so after that, let's now create the React application. So if you confirm on the official website, the documentation is well outlined, and you'll get to realize that there's a specific command which you are to run on the terminal, which will definitely, it simply sets up a development environment which uses those JavaScript features. So basically it's npx create React app with the name of the application. So let's copy this command. Then on our VS Code on the terminal, let's paste that command. So you'll allow me change the name. Let me call it new app. Then you press enter. So this will definitely download several files, which is going to take some time. It's collecting a huge number of dependencies which are needed for React JavaScript to function. So basically you can sit back, wait, and let it download. And once the download is complete, you'll get to see this information indicated here. You're supposed to first cd into your new app, then run this command yarn start. Okay, I know on your end maybe you're seeing npm here instead of yarn. Well, I want to note that there's no problem with that. If you wish to use yarn, you can just install yarn. However, you can still use npm start, but as for my case, I'll be using yarn. So we'll get to cd into new app, then we'll run yarn start. So basically what yarn start did was to build a development, a server environment. So once that is done, a default display page is opened on your browser, and you'll get to see this React JavaScript icon with some animation. So yeah, our new React application is up and running, but definitely this is not what we were intending to build. Like, this is what comes by default. So how do you get to change this code? How do you get to bring in your own code to like display what you actually want? So in our next video, we are getting into a real app development using our own custom code and not the default React JavaScript that comes after installing the new app. So basically, thank you guys for watching this, and I hope in future you'll get to watch more on this channel. Thank you.